Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am back with another video for you from Rite Aid. I don't have a huge haul this week. I wasn't very impressed with Rite Aid sales and deals this week. And I had been killing them anyway the last couple weeks with those spend 50, get 15, spend 50, 60, get 20, all those deals. So I kind of needed a break anyway, but I at least wanted to go in and at least do the Shea Moisture deal because I love the Shea Moisture products. But then I did find something else. So I'm going to share those with you. So go ahead and get your phones out so you can do some screenshots so you can see which products I'm referring to. And you'll also need your coupon inserts. There's no Ibotta rebates on any of this. You can use some points to pay if you want to make your out-of-pocket just a little lower. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so and hit the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video. I know you guys see that pink thing in the background. That is actually a baby basket that I made that I'm waiting for someone to come pick up. But just so you guys always hear me talking about the baby baskets I make and this and that is one of them. And everything in there was just about free. That entire basket cost me $1.75. Everything. Like the bowls were free from CVS. The diapers were free from Target. So you guys got to get creative with your couponing and find some ways to make money from it. All right, so let's jump into this video, guys. So the first thing I'm going to talk about are the Nivea moisturizing shave bombs. Oh, wow. I guess I should have turned my phone off before I started this video. All right, so these are on clearance in my store. Now, I don't know if they're on clearance in everyone's store because they didn't bring up 75% off. The cashier had to manually enter the price, but it's worthwhile checking. But it was only this one, the moisturizing post shave balm. Now I know they have the other things, I think like the white one with blue on it. That wasn't in the clearance section. It was only this one. So let me give you the UPC. Here's the UPC, so you could take a screenshot of that. And there is a deal this month, like spend 15, get $3 back in bonus cash. These clearance items, this did not track for that. So don't think that you can get this and that will satisfy spending your $15 and you're going to get bonus cash back, because you're not. It's not tracking. So these were regular price. Oh, my receipt is, half of it is like, you can't tell. Look at that. Look at the print. So they were $6 and something. I want to say like maybe $6.99 or something. I can't tell from the receipt because it is totally black. I can only see the 6 and then the period. But they come down to $1.87. So whatever 75% of that is, they come down to $1.87. But I got these, even though they're not giving back bonus cash, I still got them because these are really nice to put in. They're really nice to give with like a razor or something for Father's Day, graduation, Christmas, or whatever. I put them in my Father's Day baskets as well as the Christmas baskets. And then if anyone requests any type of basket for a man, I put those in there along with like the Dollar Shave Club razors or the Gillette razors, any of the razors that have like the blue and gray package, just to match it up with the color. So so I got that. And then the other thing I got were the Monofoil D spray cleaners. Now, I really like these. I used to get these when they were like $9.99 at CVS, and then you get a $9 extra bucks. So they were like 99 cents at CVS when you would get them after your extra bucks. So here at Rite Aid, you can see they are regularly $14.99. But they're on sale for 99 cents. So I grabbed all 4 that were on the shelf at my store. But I'm going to keep checking back because I love these things. I love them for cleaning for myself. I used them a lot, especially during COVID when we were at the height of the pandemic. And then when I was selling bundles, cleaning bundles, people loved these too. And I would put those in their bundles. And because I was getting them for 99 cents, I was able to turn around and resell them for like anywhere from $5 to $7, depending on what type of bundle I put them in. And then I have some people who own cleaning businesses, and they were buying a lot of these from me too. So I'm glad to see that I can get these for 99 cents. I'm going to like get as many as I can so that I can keep stocked up on those. And then, so those were 99 cents. No bonus cash or anything like that. Just a great price. And then the last thing I got were these Shea Moisture hair mask. And Shea Moisture, along with some other products, they're basically a bunch of Unilever products. When you spend $20, you get $7 back in bonus cash. And I believe Dove is included in that, Vaseline, and I think the Degree deodorant. But I use these Shea Moisture products a lot, as well as I have a bunch of hairdressers and hairstylists who buy these from me. And I like them because like you can get 2 uses out of them. You can see they're 2-ounce packs, but you can get like 2 uses out of them. And I have a lot of hair and I still get 2 uses. So they are $3.99. And then it's buy one, get one half off. And then when you spend $20, you get $7 in extra bucks. So you see I have a total of 8. So I had to buy 8 in order to get to my $20. I mean, I didn't have to. I could have bought 7, but I was getting 8 because they're buy one, get one half off. And I used the coupon that came out Sunday in our Super Save insert, which was $5 off too. So why not get them in sets of 2? Because say you're going to pay like, they're $3.99. So just say $4 for one, and then you're going to get the second one half off. So that's $2. So that's $6 for 2. Use one coupon. So now you're paying $1 for 2. That's excellent. Plus you're getting back $7 in extra bucks. So that's why I got a total of 8. So let me show you guys what I end up paying at the register. So here you see there's all my monofoils for 99 cents. And then there are my hair masks. Oh wait, I skipped the Nivea. There's the Nivea, $1.87. You see how I was talking about my receipt is like kind of blacked out. I can't see what the real regular price was. And then you see all the hair masks. They were $3.99. Buy one, get one half off. Excuse my chip paint, guys. I gotta do these nails over what little bit of nails I have. Oh, so guys, if you see, I got all the brown, but the yellow packs are in the same promotion. It's just that I didn't get the yellow packs because I have a bunch of yellow packs, so I just got the brown ones instead. Okay, so now let's go down the receipt. You see my total was $11.62, but then I got back $7 in extra bucks. And not extra bucks in bonus cash. We're at Rite Aid, not CVS. So I got $7 in bonus cash. And you can see that was for the Unilever, which are the Shea Moisture products. So when you do the math, you take the $7 from the $11.62. That means I paid $4.62 for everything on this cart, which I'm totally satisfied with because that's like buying like one of the Shea Moisture packets and paying tax for it. So guys, that's my haul. If you like anything in the video, give me a thumbs up. Let other people know about the channel, what we're doing over here. We're stretching that dollar just a little bit longer. Let me know what deals you're doing this week. Let me know if you've done this deal or if you're able to find the Monofoil D at your store. And until the next time, keep on saving.